Hi, today we are going to talk about QS roles in relation to construction industry.
QS provide advice, consultancies, and act as building or construction economists.
Training roles of the project participants, way of planning, monitoring and cost controlling, and lastly, efficient throughout the construction process.
Based on Stage 0 is focusing on the client needs and other core requirements. Other than that, based on Stage 1, the QS will start to prepare a budget based on the other similar previous projects to the clients.
Stage 2 and 3, concept and develop design. In Stage 2, QS prepare preliminary cost information for client use, while in Stage 3, cost information is updated through historical data, so client can have his fully project cost in a minute.
At Stage 4, where the technical design stage, where the final drawings are completed, the quantity surveyor are responsible to prepare the actual tender document and the project strategies. Next is Stage 5, where the construction process is ongoing. The quantity surveyor are responsible for the interim payment of the project. Besides, the quantity surveyor also need to aware to any variation order that have been made by the contractor during this stage.
Handover is previously known as post-practical completion. It is the process of handing over the building, which is the conclusion of the contract. It includes updating as-constructed information, post-occupancy evaluation, commissioning, defect liability period, and the issuance of final certificate. In use is a new phrase by RIBA. It is described as a new stage within the plan of work, which includes post-occupancy evaluation and post-project review. Consultants may provide advice to clients in relation to maintenance, insurance, tenants' queries, facilities management, and also operation contract.
Equitable is the result of the fairly distributed intervention. For example, a small business incentive program that did not reach the most remote and vulnerable parts of the population may be evaluated as inequitable.
Efficiency and economy. Efficiency is the value of outputs in relation to total cost of inputs, so it assesses how project is delivered and its cost efficiency. While economy is a cost for relevant level of quality, it assesses inputs right quantity and at right price.
Effective is to assess the rate of intervention work at which outputs are converted into outcome and impacts. Cost-effective analysis is an alternative to cost-benefit analysis. The technique compares the relative cost to the outcome for two or more action costs.